Searching for the best VPN app but stuck between two giants? Welcome. Today's quick VPN comparison puts NordVPN and ProtonVPN head-to-head. We'll talk privacy, performance, and price, then pick one clear winner. And if you already have one in mind, don't forget to check out the best deals in the description below or scan the QR code on your screen. Company backgrounds. So, where do NordVPN and ProtonVPN come from, and why does that matter? A company's background says a lot about how it protects your data. Nord Security is a major player in cybersecurity. They make NordVPN, NordPass, NordLayer, and even merged with Surfshark in 2022. That means bigger teams, smarter tech, and better security. Proton AG, based in Switzerland, known for Proton Mail, is all about privacy. ProtonVPN is their one VPN product, and it's 100% user-focused and privacy-first. Summary: different routes, different focus. Nord has more products, Proton is all in on privacy. Security. Now let's see how secure they really are. Both VPN apps use their strongest encryption, AES 256 and SHA-250. Their core shields are kill switch, DNS leak protection, and anonymous browsing. NordVPN adds RAM-only servers, no data stored even by accident. Threat Protection Pro blocks trackers, malware, phishing threats, malicious links, dark web monitoring, alerts if your info leaks. ProtonVPN offers fully open source VPN, anyone can check the code. Secure Core routes your data through privacy-friendly countries like Switzerland, Iceland, and Sweden. Great for anonymous browsing and stealth obfuscation. Summary: in short, both are safe. NordVPN goes heavy, anti-malware tools. ProtonVPN shines in transparency. Performance. Now, who feels like the fastest VPN? Speed tests across 4 global locations show NordVPN as the fastest VPN overall. Its NordLynx protocol, built on WireGuard, beats Proton's standard WireGuard. ProtonVPN does offer a VPN accelerator, but it's still a bit behind. Bottom line, if speed is your priority, Nord has the edge, though both are fast for daily use. Streaming and torrenting. Which VPN handles streaming and torrenting better? Nord unlocks more global streaming content in 4K with no extra effort. Proton also streams well using special plaintext servers. Both offer P2P optimized servers. Proton adds port forwarding. Nord downloads tend to finish faster due to a wider server network. Summary: Nord is great for streamers and heavy downloaders, while Proton remains a strong choice, especially for torrent users. Design and compatibility. Which VPN app is easier to use? Both have attractive interactive map interfaces. Nord feels more like an intuitive UI, with easier navigation. Proton takes a little getting used to. Both support full device compatibility, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux. Nord adds an Apple TV app. Proton supports Android TV. NordVPN allows users up to 10 simultaneous connections on any plan, making it ideal for families or multi-device users. ProtonVPN also supports 10 devices, but only on paid plans. The free version is limited to just 1. Summary: NordVPN is more flexible, especially for families or multi-device users. Power features. What bonus tools make these VPNs stand out? Core shields, kill switch, split tunneling, and double VPN on Nord. Proton answers with secure core multi-hop. Privacy extras, routed Tor, strong ad blocking, and broad threat protection in Nord. Specials: Nord's meshnet plus dark web monitoring. Proton focuses on speed with its accelerator. Feature lovers get a deeper feature set from Nord, while Proton keeps focus on hardcore privacy path. Can you try before you buy? Can I try these VPNs without paying first? ProtonVPN offers one of the best free VPN options in 2025. No ads, no data caps, and full privacy protection. But it's limited to just one device, fewer server locations, and doesn't support streaming or torrenting. NordVPN doesn't have a forever free plan, but you can start with a 7-day free trial on Android, which works across all your devices. And with their 30-day money-back guarantee, you get a full month to try every premium feature risk-free. Want more time? Use NordVPN's Refer a Friend program to earn free months and unlock full access. Don't forget to scan the QR code on screen or grab your discount link in the description to start your VPN free trial today. Bottom line, ProtonVPN has the best free VPN. NordVPN has the best free trial for premium features. Pricing and value. Which VPN gives more value for your money? Nord's annual plans are more affordable than Proton's, with a better price-to-value ratio. Proton's monthly plan is cheaper short-term, but adds up a long-term. Use a discount link to get the cheapest price for either. Summary: for long-term savings and extras, Nord comes out ahead. Our verdict: both NordVPN and ProtonVPN are strong contenders for the best VPN overall. Choose NordVPN if you want fast speeds, smart tools, and lower pricing. Choose ProtonVPN if you need an open-source VPN, advanced privacy, or a strong free VPN option. Either way, you get strong security and a full guarantee. If this video helped you pick your next VPN, hit that subscribe button for more smart tech comparisons, reviews, and privacy tips. See you in the next video.